Welcome. So in this video, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to turn off sound on Facebook like button. So first of all, you need to open your Facebook app and then make sure that your account is logged into it, okay? And then click these three little lines on the bottom right corner of your screen, and then you want to scroll down until you see settings and privacy, and then you want to click on settings, and then here you see this preferences section, then you want to click media, okay? After that, you can see here on the top part of your screen is the sound, and you see here in app sound is the switch is blue, and you want to make sure that it is white, because if it is blue it means it is turned on, and if it is gray or white it is turned off, okay? And that's it, you're good to go. I hope this helps, and if it did, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.